What's the meaning of conviviality? Conviviality. Conviviality.
Conviviality. Conviviality. Conviviality refers to the quality or state of being friendly and sociable, often in a celebratory or festive manner. It can be seen as the ability to create a welcoming and hospitable environment where people feel comfortable and at ease. This can involve sharing food, drink, and conversation, as well as engaging in activities that promote community and social interaction. Ultimately, conviviality is about fostering a sense of connection and belonging that brings people together in joyful and meaningful ways.